AI technology can create many different kinds of content. It is currently most capable of generating written content such as blog posts, white papers, ebooks, product listings, emails, subjects, article titles, and more. Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Before starting the video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now let's get started. Number 1. Jasper. Jasper is your all-in-one AI content creation tool. With a set of templates to help you create everything from email subjects, real estate listings, product descriptions, headlines, and long blog posts to video scripts and personal bios, you can quickly create high-quality content in bulk with just a few prompts. And you can create your own images with Jasper's AI art generator. Number 2. HubSpot. HubSpot's content strategy tool uses artificial intelligence and deep learning technology to uncover original content ideas and topics that are likely to perform well with your audience and in the SERPs. It does this by scanning millions of posts on similar topics before suggesting groupings of topics to help you rank and stand out from your competitors. Before he suggests anything, he does competitive research to make sure the topics he's suggesting are worthwhile, removing any guesswork and guts you might have. Number 3. Phrase. Once you've come up with a content topic or keyword, it can be difficult to know where to start. Staring at a blank page is never fun for content creators. Phrase works by using machine learning to create outline briefs based on similar content on the web. In addition to building a rough overview using the actual questions that searchers have asked, it suggests keywords and subheadings that you can use throughout your content to make sure you rank well. Number 4. Grammarly. Writing is often the meat of content generation, but your content needs to be readable and engaging. Grammarly uses AI technology to suggest better phrases, check your grammar, and basically make sure your content is engaging and accessible to the right people. Number 5. Synthesia. While most content AI tools focus on text content, Synthesia is one of the first to focus exclusively on creating video content at scale. It's common knowledge that creating a video can be time-consuming, but it can pay off tenfold because it's one of the most engaging forms of content. Synthesia works by using artificial intelligence to create a talking head video or avatar-based voiceover to match the script you've already written. That's all from today's video. Thanks for watching. Please give us a thumbs up if you liked the video. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.